going on?
Oh, yeah. I want this.
Well, our goal during this operation is to make sure children in our community remain safe. There are individuals out there that are trying to prey on them, and we want to make sure they're protected. Well, when you look at what these individuals say or text to who they think are children, it's just disgusting. As a parent, as a grandparent, I just can't imagine someone like talking to my children or my grandchildren like that. It's just, it's sickening, and they need to be locked up.
All I done was pull in there to get a drink.
Get out from me, just face the wall.
These individuals that we arrested, the ones we have here on this board, are disgusting individuals. Somewhere during their life they went off track and they went down the wrong path. And it's my responsibility to make sure they get locked up.